Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to take a look at the dewalt 60 volt worm saw. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the saw. I will tell you that of all of my tools, this is probably my favorite tool. I use this more than anything. Now it is basically made to resemble a worm saw, but the gears in it are not actually a worm driven gear system. But it is extremely strong and it's well balanced. It works off of these 60 volt batteries that just slide in the top. And once you get the battery in, it really helps to balance it. And I love the handle at the top. You can adjust this thing. I'm going to pull the battery as I play with it. But you flip the little lever here and you will adjust this thing up or down just like that. And I lock it back into place. A lot of times I'm cutting plywood, so I'm going to set my depth, move the guard up, set my depth to the length or the width of my plywood, and then I will lock it back into place, whatever that is, whether it's 1/2 inch or 3/4. Then I can cut and not worry. The other thing that you're going to do is you're going to set your bevel. You'll set that from the front here. And you'll simply, and this is probably pretty tight because I haven't adjusted it in a while, but you'll set your plate right there and lock it into place, whatever it is that you want. And it has a gauge here on the side that will help tell you where you're at. So put it back flat. Now put my battery back in, and it has a safety here. Push the safety, then you can pull the trigger. And it has a lot of power. Alright guys, I will tell you, I don't know exactly how long the battery will last on this thing. I've never really timed it. And if you want to read stats, they're going to be up in the top in the descriptions. But I will tell you, as a pro, I love this tool. It is my favorite saw. I don't even pull out my corded saws at all anymore. This is my go-to saw. Works extremely. And one other thing I forgot to mention, if you're working up in rafters, it does have a rafter hook. And you can hook it, and I use that quite a bit. But it has nice weight to it. It's just comfortable in your hands. If you want a really good saw, whether you're a pro or whether you're a DIYer, you can't go wrong with this dewalt 60 volt system. Do yourself a favor and get yourself one today. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.